As you can see behind me, I'm prepping up for a vacation, so there is one thing that I'm really excited to show you because I always take it with me when I go camping. And this is it. It's called TACKLife, and I use it either to jumpstart my car in case I forget the lights on in the middle of nowhere, to start my motorcycle, which is, by the way, in my living room, or to charge my cell phone in case I run out of power. If you want to know the price, check out the bottom of the video. There will be a link on Amazon where I got it. Prices change all the time, but they're very, very nicely priced for how much it could do. So this is what's in the box. It comes very nicely packed. There's a little zipper over here. And then it's meant this way so you could store it this way. Comes with a little booklet, but I'm going to show you everything you need to know. And this is the unit itself. This is the lithium-ion charger or jump starter for the car. Another thing that I like about it is that it comes with all the attachments in it. So you have a charger, you have the jump starter unit. So this is the jump starter for the battery. And here it is. And then you also have all the cables that you need. So I'm going to take these away and I'm going to show you. This is the a normal socket for a cigarette lighter. This is a USB charger for the USB, and this is to charge it from the car when you're driving, so you don't have to charge it necessarily at home. If you forget, you could just plug it into the car and charge it that way. And if you wonder how much it costs, check out the link at the bottom of the video description. Prices change all the time, but these are fairly priced on Amazon. The unit itself is pretty cool, has an on-off button, and then this on-off button will tell you how much power you have on it. And then it has a couple of indicators on it, how it works. Also, it has a flashlight over here in the front, so you could have a very powerful LED light. You can turn it off. It has also a red flashlight in case of emergency or something like that. So that's pretty cool. This is maybe the most important part of it. The one the least used, but is most important because if something goes wrong, this is going to help you a lot. This is a charger for the battery, the jump starter part. So it plugs in over here very easily. And make sure that these ends don't touch. That's very, very important. And it plugs in over here. And it has a little socket, and just literally you plug it in here. And then it has a little button over here, which is a boost button. And you could push the boost button, and then I'm going to show you how to jump start the car with it. Also has a little, in case you get lost in the woods, it has a little compass over here, so it tells you where north is, which is really, really nice. I like the fact that you could charge cell phones from it. This is the most cool part that I use the most. There it is. So it's actually charging the cell phone. For those people that are asking, this cell phone has 4,000 milliamp battery. This one is 18,000. So I was able to charge it about 4 times. Also, if you want to plug in a 12 volt charger, you could charge a laptop from a 12 volt if that's what you want to do. And this seems to be working very, very well when I go and visit my family. I could charge my cell phone, keep my cell phone charged, keep my laptop charged. And it's TSA friendly. So TSA never complained about it. Every time I brought it with me, they looked at it and say, okay, yeah, this is a battery pack. We're all good. Another cool thing about it is that the way that it was designed with this little nice pouch. And you know, a lot of things that you buy on the internet, they don't fit back into the box once you got them. But this one is designed that way, so it nicely fits back in here with all its accessories. So usually what I do is I start with the big stuff first, because that's the hardest to fit in. So just shove them in here. As I said, I start with the big stuff first, and then the USB cable is the last thing that it has to fit in here. So I start from the biggest to the smallest. There it is, and then you could take your booklet with you if you want to read the instructions. And then the zipper will close it in. And look, it's a perfectly traveling little pack. For those interested, I'm going to put a link at the bottom of the video description. You can find them on Amazon. Price is pretty good for these little devices. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think.